So we're still looking at polynomial functions. And what I want to do now is I want to find out what all the zeros are for each of these functions. And when I do that, the kind of cool thing is that's going to help me when I have to graph these. So if I look at the first one, if I want to find all the zeros, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let f of x equal 0. So I'm going to get x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. Now, based on what we've learned in previous chapters, remember it'd be great if we could do this by, I don't know, maybe factor by grouping, because I notice I've got 4 terms, so I could split them apart into groups of 2. So when I'm in groups of 2, I would look at the first 2, and then I would look at the last 2. So if I start with the first 2, the factor they have in common is x squared, and then it's x plus 2, minus, these both have a 4 in common, and that's going to be x. Now I need to get a negative, so this will be a positive 2. And look, it worked because I've got x plus 2 in common to both terms. You should always be happy when that happens. So I'm going to take that out. So I'm going to have x plus 2, which leaves me with x squared minus 4. But I know that x squared minus 4 is the difference of 2 squares. So this would then be x plus 2 times x plus 2x minus 2. Now I only need to take the terms that look different, so I've got x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So I get x equals negative 2 and x equals 2. So those are going to be my zeros. Now what about on the one over here on the right? Again, you're going to set f of x equal to 0. Now, what do they have in common? Well, they both have x squared. So I'm left with x squared minus 4. And again, we have the same thing. The x squared minus 4 is the difference of 2 squares. So this is going to equal to x squared times x minus 2, x plus 2. Now I want to set each one of those equal to 0. So I get x squared equals 0. I get x minus 2 equals 0. And x plus 2 equals 0. So this one, first one's easy, as x is just 0. I get x equals 2, and I get x equals negative 2. So all of the zeros for the second one are 0, 2, and negative 2.